Here we are, it's day 6 of harvest log. We finished the oilseed rape at Kemerton, the contract farm, last night. Really pleased with the results. Not quite sure how it achieved an average of 3.5 tonnes a hectare, which is ever so slightly over the budget. Really variable actually. We had one couple of fields, 2.7. Had another one on which was the sandiest, lightest field of the block that did 4.2, so not quite sure how that's happened, but here we are. This is where we find ourselves, back on Bredon Hill. This is a field, College and Parks. It's a great field actually. The views up here, if I just turn around this way a little bit, are absolutely incredible. So this is a variety of rape called Dolphin, and the field slightly above it here finished that this about lunchtime. That did 3.58. So if the rest of this block does the same, that would be a great result. But we shall see what happens. This is destined to go to Duncan Farrington's company as a leaf marked rapeseed, cold pressed in a bottle, which is a great product. It's marketed in a lot of supermarkets as mellow yellow, so if you look out for that later on in the autumn or the winter. Actually, realistically, it's probably going to be next spring, because I don't think we're going to move this actually until January time. But if you look for mellow yellow, you may well be tasting some Overbreeze oilseed rape that has been grown right up on the top of the hill here. So we should finish oilseed rape tomorrow, then we will have a look to see what's next on the menu for the combine, and harvest logs will resume. There is a bit of rain on the forecast now for Tuesday, so hopefully we'll get the rape finished before that arrives. I don't think it's going to be anything too detrimental. Maybe not enough to do a huge amount of good for the grass or getting cover crops established, but if it takes the temperature out of the heat and dampens this tinder dry environment that we're working in at the moment, then that will be a huge benefit. So yeah, onwards with rape, and then who knows what's coming up after that.